Hello guys, my name is Keira P2 Ae from P2 Albert Einstein. Today I'm gonna show you how to make matcha latte. Check it out! To make a cup of matcha latte, we need to prepare this ingredient. First, we need a little bit warm water to mix matcha powder become liquid, a glass of milk, and of course matcha powder. I use 1 tablespoon matcha powder. And don't forget a glass of ice cubes, or it's up to you. But mine, 1 glass is enough. So first, we need to mix the matcha powder with the warm water. This is the best part. I mix it with the mini mixer. It's so satisfying. We have to mix it well. After that, we prepare the glass. Pour the milk and then the ice cubes. And the last is matcha liquid. Oh yeah guys, I want to tell you something. My mom and me worked together to make this video. Mix it well with a straw. Guys, you know, it's so satisfying to mix it. Voila! This is the matcha latte made by me. Oh my god, I like matcha latte so much. Guys, you know, I like to drink matcha and make it at home. I get this recipe from my mom. She liked to cook and she liked to make something. It's sweet and creamy. I found a little bitter on the matcha, but I like it. It's a perfect combination. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you can try this recipe at your home. See you!